Worldwide wetlands are renowned for their natural beauty and ecosystem services they provide. 40% of all renewable ecosystem services like flood protection and food provisioning are provided by wetlands. Moreover, wetlands store 10 times more carbon dioxide than terrestrial ecosystems.
These wetland ecosystems are among the most productive and valuable ecosystems that we have on the planet.
Loss and deterioration, however, has caused a decline of up to 50% of healthy wetlands over the past decades and is ongoing. Restoration attempts often fail. Besides that, most restoration attempts use plastic or concrete. BESE designs and sells products that are made out of waste streams from the chips industry and transformed into products that are able to overcome restoration thresholds and restore valuable wetland ecosystems. The products are biodegradable and thus can be applied into nature and slowly become nature. The BESE elements kickstart restoration efforts by providing settlement substrate, protection against wave energy, and protection against predators.
For us, it's sort of the holy grail to be able to carry out these restoration measures with only biodegradable materials, so that after a few years, only the natural environment remains.
To increase our knowledge about the products and success rate of restoration attempts, we work closely together with researchers from different universities and local parties and volunteers that have knowledge about the specific system.
The bees are lightweight. They can be manipulated into various sizes with multiple layers. They can be cut to multiple lengths, so they're really practical to work with at a site like this.
The aim of BESE products is to aid restoration practitioners all over the world by providing effective, easy-to-use, biodegradable materials that can be used in the restoration of wetland ecosystems.